Ever wondered how creators on TikTok make those fun side-by-side videos, reacting, singing, or just having a blast together? That's the magic of TikTok duets, and today I'll show you exactly how to make your own. So, what is a duet on TikTok? It's a split-screen video letting you record yourself right next to someone else's post. It's perfect for reactions, collaborations, or adding your own creative spin to trending content. You can duet with friends, celebrities, or even your own old videos. And the best part? It instantly boosts engagement and brings a more social vibe to your page. Let's get started. First, find the TikTok you want to duet with, tap the share arrow, and select Duet. If you want your voice in the mix, make sure Use Original Sound is turned on before you record. Then, hit the red button and have fun with it. Once you're happy with your recording, just add a caption and post. Ever run into the problem where the duet option isn't showing? Usually, that means the creator has duet permissions turned off or your account is set to private. Make sure your profile is public and check your privacy settings if you want others to duet with your videos. Now, if you're looking for duet ideas, try reaction duets, comedy add-ons, singing together, or even before and after transformations. There are endless ways to get creative and connect with the TikTok community. And if you want your duets to go viral and reach more fans, check out Media Mister. They help creators like you boost their visibility, engagement, and audience, so your duets get the attention they deserve. Head to MediaMister.com and take your TikTok game to the next level.